In this video, we'll look at how to merge documents with similar file names using the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. It's often necessary to merge PDFs of similar file names into single documents. Unlike regular document merging, you can use the plugin to merge groups of documents into multiple output files. This is much faster than manually merging specific files from a long list. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate this process by merging these 13 files into just 4 separate files based on the shared first 16 characters of their names. The output files will have the same name as the first PDF file it consists of, based on alphabetical order. This diagram shows more clearly how files are sorted in order to be merged. To do this, input files should not be password protected or have restricted user access rights. Let's look at how to open the necessary tool. With Adobe Acrobat open, select Plugins in the upper menu, then Merge Documents, and Merge Documents with similar file names. In this new window, use the Browse button to select a suitable output folder. In this box, specify the required number of common first characters that merged documents must contain. In this example, it's 16. Use Add Folder or Add File to add all necessary input files. These selected folders and files will be listed. The number of files within folders is also shown. Optionally use the Security Options button or restrict user access rights. Lastly, press the Save Settings button to save processing settings and input file list for future use. Load these settings with the Load Settings button. Click OK to start the merging process. The AutoSplit results window will open, showing all created output documents. The plugin also creates a detailed HTML report file. Check this option to open it automatically. This report will also be saved in the output location. Click the Open Output Folder option to inspect the results. These 4 output files have been created. Click the link to check the HTML report file. Visit Evermap.com for further product resources.